Hello everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and I am participating in the Pumpkin Palooza 2018 hosted by Auntie Cuckoo. I created these two farmhouse inspired neutral pumpkin stacked topiaries from the Dollar Tree. They were super inexpensive and really easy to make, and if you want to find out how I did them, stay tuned and keep watching. First thing you're going to need are these cute little pots you can get at Dollar Tree. You can find them in the garden section and they're 2 for $1. Then you're going to want to get these pumpkins, are $1 a piece. I got the neutral colored ones, and you can also use these little clips that come 3 for $1, but I also had some leftovers from last year that I thought maybe might work as well. You're also going to need paint. You can use any kind. I had a sample that I had ordered just to try out in this little beautiful green blue color, and I also had some left over from my first Look for Less. Now you can use any type of greenery left over from floral bushes. I thought I was going to use these, but I actually ended up using leftover Dollar Tree floral moss. As you can see right here, I had that as well. You're also going to need some brushes so that you can paint. I didn't show it here, but you can use jute as well, which I did use, and a glue gun. I first started out by painting the little pots. Now as you can see, these were already pre-painted. I actually painted them the same color I did my last Pottery Barn dupes, but then I realized I didn't like it, so I just painted them all white. I also made sure to paint the top rims of the pots. So then I just basically took off the little stems off of the 2 bigger pumpkins, and I also removed the tags. Now the white pumpkins were already white, but they had like a yellow tint to them, so I decided to go ahead and paint them with the same chalk paint that I painted the pots with. And then I painted the top small pumpkins with a really pretty light blue color. I made sure to give everything at least 2 coats before I moved on to the next step. Then I decided that because the pumpkin wasn't completely round, there was going to be little gaps between the pumpkin and the pot. I decided to go ahead and add moss to the rim. And then of course I began to stack my pumpkins. I thought my white one was a little bit too plain, so I decided to add jute all the way around and kind of insert it within the creases to give it a little bit more interest and texture. Then after that one was done, I added it to the top of the bottom pumpkin. And finally I added the small blue one. Now there was a little bit of a gap at the top, and I thought I'd go ahead and add a little bit more moss to kind of tie the top and bottom together. And since I had most of the stuff already on hand, it actually cost me less than $3 to make one. And since I had enough supplies, I went ahead and made 2 of them. I've included the list below to the playlist for all of the pumpkin crafts. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe to check out more videos like this. I'll go ahead and put some more fall decor videos down below. I hope you like them, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, adios.